Hi, it's Christasha. So I hope the sound is good because I am currently under an overpass. That's a paradox and a half. But life is a paradox when you're going through a spiritual awakening. So I wanted to come on here and actually read because I cannot read inside my house sometimes. I have to breathe in nature. I'm sitting next to a river in my state. I live in a suburb of Chicago, so that gives you some reference. And before I started filming, I found 2 seashells. Like, that is huge. There's no tropical beaches around here, so that just felt so good. That felt so good. Okay. So I'm gonna try my best to do a quick reading right now. I hope everyone is safe, healthy, and I am sending you lots of love. Okay, let's go. Let's get into the reading. I forgot my stand. Oh well. Alright, what's the message? What is the message for all of these lovely souls? You have the King of Wands, two of Wands, and the Magician. Okay. So, give me a second to tap into this energy and put my other cards down. I mean, with Aries season, you're fired up. You are definitely fired up. And I've been feeling the same way. I have fire heavily aspect in my chart, but I think on a global scale, everyone's feeling very fired up right now. You are waiting. You're trying to make a decision. You're definitely restless. I definitely feel this restless energy. I knew I was going to pick up on that. But we have the Magician here. You have magic inside of you, okay? I don't care if you don't believe in this stuff. It's inside of you. You're trying to make a decision on a creative project, on some type of deal. I'm going to clarify. 3 of Swords. Yeah, we've all been feeling this way. Why is the collective in the 3 of Swords energy, Spirit? Oh, I just saw a white bird flying right now. That's beautiful. White birds, doves, symbolizing peace and love, all that. 7 of Cups. Yeah, you're confused. You're confused about a decision that you need to make. I am too in my life right now. I'm very confused about my career. You gotta take it as it comes. Take it easy. Whatever you do to let off steam, do it. This is the way I let off steam. You know, we all have our ways about us. I'm gonna get 2 more clarifiers for you. This is the Sacred Symbols deck by Marcella Crowes, the 4th edition. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, maybe you're a ballerina. I'm picking up on that. You might be a ballerina. Or you might have been in one of your past lives. Alright, I'm gonna pull two. Let's see what we got here. Woo! Wow, those just flew out. Did you see that? Okay, nature spirits. Yes, I am currently in nature. Maybe you should start working with nature spirits if you ever so desire. Or even call upon your ancestors. That's very powerful because they will give you ancient sacred knowledge. Most definitely meditate, okay? Yeah, I've been meditating for over 13 years now, and gosh, it is a lifelong practice. It truly is. My advice for you would be to, if you're, because I'm still picking up on this anxiety, tap on your heart chakra, tap on your third eye, and just breathe. Just breathe, right? I mean, I need to start a workout regimen. I mean, I've never actually worked, well, no, I have worked out in my life, but I've been doing yoga for almost 20 years now. So I need to start back up on my yoga routine. Yeah, I mean, none of us are perfect. Obviously, we're only human, but we are human beings and we are human doings. I mean, I'm stretched out very thin right now. It doesn't look like it, but I very much am, and I know the collective's going through it right now. We are, especially us empaths and us intuitives, we have been really feeling this underlying anger about what the heck is going on in this world. Oh gosh. And I'm going to continue to say this until this feeling stops. I am internally screaming right now of all the unjustness in this world. I'm so mad. Can you tell? Oh my gosh, this is not about me. I'm trying to be a spiritual teacher here. I always say that. But I guess I am, right? I'm good at what I do. So I actually found these rocks here that I'm going to take home with me. I'm like a little child. We're all healing our inner child right now. And yeah, if you were in a trauma, if you had trauma growing up, anything to help your soul. I just threw a rock in the river, and it's like I never got to do that when I was a kid because trauma. But on the bottom of the deck I got Divine Masculine. So you either need to rein in on this restless energy, or you need to step more into your Divine Masculine energy at this point. We're in Aries season. This is all about action, right? This is very male energy. It's the first sign of the zodiac. So, with all of that being said, my dear souls, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. I saw 777 coming here, so that's a good sync for you. Stay blessed, stay humble. I will see you soon. Bye.